These high-purity titanium billets, destined for the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner, are meticulously tracked. Every
criteria. Specialized automation sorts the carbon fiber plies into sequential kits. A final inspection ensures structural integrity. After passing the final automated checkpoint, the system confirms 100% net compliance.
Check the laser alignment on section 4.
Reading 5.74 meters, perfectly aligned.
Confirmed. Proceed with layup. Check the tension settings on roller 5.
Reading nominal. Initiating the dry run sequence now. The systems operate seamlessly yet separately, confirming the specialized kitting required for the final assembly of the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner.
Final preparations are underway. The composite fuselage moved towards front while the 5-axis CNC machine fight. The massive fuselage barrel section begins the crucial curing phase inside the autoclave. The high pressure
Cross-reference the thermal data with the ultrasonic reading here.
Looks good. No delamination detected. We can sign off on section 3.
Torque verification complete on station 12.
Copy that. Logging the data now.
Check the laser grid on sector 4.
reading stable, sub-millimeter precision achieved.
Inside the massive composite fuselage, specialized robots and technicians utilize augmented reality to
wings into the turret. The robotic precisely places long, rigid composite spars onto the wing.
The completed wing boxes and fuselage barrels of Process A are securely loaded onto transport.
Process B utilizes a laser probe to trace the contours, ensuring the 7879 Dreamliner component meets exact specifications.
Heat treatment in the vacuum furnace strengthens the titanium struts against stress corrosion, a vital step for the Boeing 7879 Dreamliner.
Alignment confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Copy that. Initiating the fastening sequence. The integration of the massive engines requires millimeter precision, showcasing the pinnacle of modern aerospace manufacturing.
The forward pin is engaging now. Monitor the torque.
Reading 98%. It's secure.
Make sure the yellow harness is routed correctly.
It is secure. Locking the main connector now.
Electrical systems nominal.
Hydraulic and pneumatic checks complete. Flight controls are active.
All right, team, Process B is active.
Sensors aligned on the fuselage.
Clear on the landing gear.
Thrust setting achieved, parameters holding steady.
Copy that. Power plant integration confirmed. We are clear for high-speed testing.
We are initiating the final phase of the load test. Monitor the wingtips closely.
Data streams are slow.
Check the alignment on the vertical stabilizer.
Confirmed. The laser grid shows perfect placement.
Final acceptance confirmed. She's yours.
Thank you. We look forward to putting her into service.
The final certification and maintenance logs for the 7879 are now transferred.
Thank you. We are pleased to accept delivery of this magnificent aircraft.
Gear pins removed. Copy. Roger that. Engine cowling secured.
Welcome aboard. Thank you. We're excited to fly the Dreamliner.
A key innovation of the Boeing 787-9 is the electromeric blue.
As the massive 7879 Dreamliner is pushed back, the advanced engine of the
Dreamliner accelerates, its landing gear absorbing the shock. The composite wings flex, demonstrating
Gear is fully deployed and locked. Confirmation on all struts.
A smooth touchdown for the 787-9 Dreamliner. The landing gear.
We finally made it!
That was a smooth flight.
The final product rests at the terminal, its internal cabin lights glowing warmly, symbolizing the success.